Take a seat. Let's talk.
Oh, hell no. The last time I did that, you freaking pranked me
No,
with
that was fine, I
with an
swear.
air. No, I'm not doing that. You did it to me! You rotten kid!
Shit, look at the mess.
You did it to me again, you rotten kid.
I'm gonna kill you.
You made a lot of money. Babe, so you know how I went to the store earlier? Well, the guy behind me thought I cut him off. Guess what he did?
What?
Oh my god! So, when do you want to leave for Target, babe? Oh my god! What did you do?
Keep blowing,
I'm
it's
sorry, I love
annoying!
you.
Hey, Will, you're able to get that deal done because...
Why?
Because I can't pretend to.
You know what? Good.
No! I'm sick of your shit. Alright, you guys. Let's see how this goes.
Annoying my girlfriend with the air horn.
Ah! Shit!
Hey babe, I brought you pizza.
Grandma, guess what?
Why?
Vine's back.
Sad? What the fuck's that?
Oh! What the? Bro. Why are you recording?
Fucking hell.
Oh no! Oh my god! Oh my god! Blue car! Bitch! Oh shit!
girl best friend. She doesn't know I'm in the store, but I told her to give me some yogurt. She thinks I'm in the car. Let's get it.
What's up, guys? How you doing? Shit! Fuck! What the fuck? Oh my god! No!
Now from the top, make it drop. That's some wet. That's some wet. Now get a bucket and a mop. That's some wet. That's some.
Hey, Mom. So I want to talk to you about something.
What?
Dude, what the fuck?
Uh-oh.
Huh?